Welcome to my show, Muriel's Kusina. Okay, now, today, I have a special episode for you, okay? This is a very simple and easy, delicious cake. I call this Muriel mango cake, okay? And here's the mango cake. There you go. It's very easy and simple. This is a very nice cakes for you guys, especially for the kids, because this is very healthy because you got the fruits in it, which is like kids. Sometimes, it's hard to feed them with fruits. Then you got the mango inside. So, really, really good recommendation for you guys. Let's start. And I show you all my ingredients. And I show you how to make this Muriel's mango cake. Tan-tan! I use 4 mangoes here. Okay? So, I cut them differently. So, 2 4 slices like this. Because I'm gonna make this as a mango puree. Okay? And the other one is mango dice. Because we use that for toppings. Okay? And then the other one is the condensed milk. We have a 300 ml condensed milk here. And then we have 300 fresh single cream here. And we have 11.5 gram of your jelly. I use orange jelly because of the color. If you use strawberry and then you mix up with the mango, I tried that before and it come out weird. It's just like orange and it doesn't look like mango anymore. So that's why I stick to the orange one because it's closer to the mango color. Okay? And now I have the digestive biscuits here. As it's a digestive system. Digestive biscuits here. I use 150 grams just for the base. See, I have the base here. So that's 100 and I already crumble it on my mixer so that it settled down a bit. I put like 5 to 10 grams of butter when I'm doing it on the mixer. I just put a cold butter and a cup of water and then just a cup of water for this one. Okay, so we need to start for the mango first. This is very straightforward, guys, so it's not difficult to do it. The only thing is, you have to have your liquidize machine. Because you need to mix this, make a puree. Okay, rewind. Guys, the mango is too much for the big blender. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to use the big one and see. Because I don't want to splash everywhere. So, we use this one. Okay, guys. I blended all up the mango. And this is the consistency I'm looking for. As a puree, it's very smooth. So you can see very smooth now. So I'm gonna transfer it to the bowl. So now the mango puree is done. We're gonna mix the cream. So I'll put the cream here. And the condensed milk. Yummy! So now we're gonna blend it. Just a hint, and a tips for you guys. The condensed milk, make sure that it's chilled. So if you're thinking to do this cake today, then you can put the condensed milk out of tin, transfer it to the bowl and put it on the fridge overnight. Okay, but even just like 1 hour or 2 hours, that's fine. So, hello. Okay, guys, I'm not making any difference with this one. I just want to mix it properly. So I'm using the hand mixer because it's easy. But if you don't have one, you can use the whisk, and that should be fine. Just make sure that you mix it very well, because you need to remember the condensed milk is already thick, plus the cream is thick as well. So if you don't mix it properly, it doesn't come out very well. Okay, so just that's all you need. There you go. So that is already the cream and the condensed milk together. So everything is ready now. All we need to put now is the jelly. I need a cup. You only need a cup of water of this jelly. Okay. So let's move to cooking. Action. Okay. Now, we're gonna put a cup of water here. This is already boiled water. So we put the heater on, the cooker on. And then I put the sachet of your just wait until all dissolve properly. The other way to cook this as well is if you want to dissolve your jelly in a cold water, and then just add on some hot water. There you go. It's mixed all now. You see, that's why I use orange color, because it's closer to yellow. Well, rather than red. Okay, so that's our completely dissolved jelly. As soon as the jelly, guys, as soon as the jelly start boiling, turn the heat down and then simmer it for a little bit. Okay, just keep stirring it so that it's not really boiling. And now you need to put your cream, the mixture of cream and the condensed milk. So just pour it over. It's a nice color. And then just stir it again. You don't need to wait for boiling because you don't want it boiling. That's why your heat is very low. Now, you need to add your puree. That's your mango puree. This process, you don't need to do the baking. So, no baking at all after this. So, guys, this is the consistency I'm looking for. Okay? It's okay if there is lumpy. Because you're gonna put some whole diced mango there anyway, so it doesn't matter, but try to keep it smooth. That's why don't put your heat too high. Okay, so this is really perfect now, and it's ready for us to transfer on the bowl. Okay, guys, so now it's all the cream and the puree is all cooked already. Okay, I'm gonna transfer it now into a bowl, which is early on I show you already the base here from the digestive biscuits. You think the liquid, this is liquid, so you think if you put it in the base, you said it's not gonna work because it's watery. It does. It's gonna be solidified inside the fridge later because you're gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I put some here layered. I love doing this because it's not a lot of works, and also like it's not a lot of ingredients also. Now you need to do this. I think it's just enough for this bowl. I just use all the mango here. There you go, guys. It's nice. Now we need to put some crumbled biscuits again. Okay, but if you don't want to put, that's fine, it's optional, but I always to put something on the top to make it like a bit crunchy. We don't need a lot, guys, so I just put 4 biscuits here. That's fine. There you go. So you just put on the top. There you go. So I think the 3 biscuits is enough. Ta-da! That's it. And now it's ready for us to put it in the fridge. Okay, guys. Hello. It's been 4 hours. Okay, now I'm back to show you the final finish. For you guys, if you want to make this in a party on your special occasion, my recommendation is better to do it 1 day ahead if you have time. And then if you're doing it, and if the party is nighttime, you can do it as well, like early in the morning, or do it in the morning and then it's ready for nighttime, because you want a nice and firm cake. Okay, so we'll see what happened today, but it's been okay now. Ooh. So let's see it and try. Okay, so let's start. Still soft. That's not bad. Yay! Yeah, but you need to be set for a bit longer. Yeah, so guys, I slice. I take one slice from the cake, and I still a little bit soft for me. Okay, so what you have to do is, my recommendation, as I said, just put it more longer, and it's gonna be firm and nice and easy to cut, not like this that is still soft. So now that's the cut there. Now I'm gonna sprinkle it with lime zest just to give us more flavor and more zesty. Okay guys, as you know, before I finish my show, I have to taste my food. Okay, so it's the tasting time. It's nice. Guys, it's the lime zest is add to the flavor, so it's really nice because this is not very sweet cake. Okay, I hope you enjoy my cake. That's all for today. Try to make this and let's eat healthy. And as I said, keep safe, eat healthy. So that's all that's it for me all today, and hope to see you soon next week. Okay? Bye-bye. 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 Hey.